Once upon a time, in the heart of the African savannah lived a giraffe named Jeffrey. Now, Jeffrey was an ordinary giraffe except for one extraordinary thing. He loved nothing more than watching the sunset. Every evening, just as the sun began its descent, Jeffrey would find a spot with a clear view of the horizon and just stand there for hours, mesmerized by the play of colors in the sky. The other giraffes thought this was rather silly. "Why do you stand there all day, Jeffrey? You're blocking our view," they'd complain. Or, "Come on, Jeffrey, let's go eat." "It's not good to stare at the sun," they'd chirp. But Jeffrey would just stand there, his long neck craned to see the view, his eyes wide with wonder. "I don't know why, but I just love it," he'd reply. And the other giraffes just shook their heads and went about their business. One day, though, something amazing happened. As Jeffrey stood watching the sunset, he saw a beautiful woman emerge from behind a clump of acacia trees. She had skin the color of burnt umber, hair like woven gold, and eyes that shone like polished amber. She was unlike anyone Jeffrey had ever seen before. As she walked towards him, the setting sun casting long dramatic shadows around her, Jeffrey couldn't help but feel a sense of foreboding. When she was close enough, she turned to face him and spoke. Her voice was like the tinkling of 1,000 bells. "Greetings, Jeffrey," she said. "I am Zuri, a spirit of the sunset. I have been watching you." Jeffrey was so stunned he could only manage a stammered, "Well, what?" Zuri smiled, a dazzling display of white teeth against her dark skin. "I have been watching you, Jeffrey, and I have seen how much joy the sunset brings you. And as a reward, I would like to grant you a wish." Jeffrey, still somewhat dazed, could only think of one thing. "Oh, I want to see the sunset from up above, to see the whole world bathed in the evening glow," he exclaimed. And Zuri, with a wave of her magic wand, poof, transformed Jeffrey into a magnificent golden eagle. Overjoyed, Jeffrey soared into the sky, the wind whipping through his feathers as he circled higher and higher. Below him, the savannah stretched out like a patchwork quilt, the setting sun turning the sky above it into a painter's palette of reds, oranges, and purples. The clouds were tinged with pink, and the distant hills glowed with an ethereal light. For a moment, Jeffrey was too overwhelmed to even cry. Then, as he realized that his new form was also giving him a new perspective on his friends, the other giraffes who had been searching frantically for him suddenly looked very small and very far away. And as he watched them, a strange feeling of superiority washed over him. He was no longer one of them. He was better, stronger, more magnificent. And as he flew around them, he couldn't help but feel a sense of smug satisfaction. But then, just as quickly as his joy had risen, it fell. For as he flew, he realized that while the view was indeed spectacular, it was also very lonely. Down below, the giraffes were gathered in a tight herd, their long necks intertwined, their eyes full of concern for their missing friend. Up here, he was alone. And as the sun dipped below the horizon, the sky grew darker and darker, and Jeffrey's heart grew heavier and heavier. All of a sudden, the golden eagle wanted to be a giraffe again, to be with his friends, to watch the sunset with them, even if he couldn't see above the tall grass. And as if sensing his sadness, Zuri appeared beside him once more. "Well, Jeffrey," she said, her voice echoing in his ears, "would you like to make another wish?" And without a moment's hesitation, Jeffrey cried, "I want to be a giraffe again." And as his wish was granted, he plummeted towards the ground. The familiar sensation of wind rushing through his fur, replacing the feel of air rushing beneath his wings. And as he landed awkwardly on his 4 legs, he could hear the other giraffes calling out to him, their voices filled with joy and relief. They crowded around him, their eyes shining with happiness, and Jeffrey knew in that moment that he didn't want to be anything else. He was a giraffe who loved the sunset, and that was enough.